Teachers, here's the lesson, the STEAM lesson for the week of September the 2nd. Now, September the 2nd is a Monday, so if your scheduled time is on Monday, the 2nd, then you'll probably need to look at some of the makeup times that are available and pencil in or use the dry erase marker to reschedule your makeup time. So, take a look at that. So, building structures and the engineer design process. This is the read aloud. What you probably do in the classroom is review the Three Little Pigs story. They all know it, and talk about the materials that they use for their structures. But this is a little bit different. We're going to compare and contrast these two stories. This is the Three Little Wolves and the Big Bad Pig. Here's the link to it. It's long, so you may want to do it in 2 or 3 days. Probably 3 good days if you want to. It's about 16 minutes long. Stop and discuss it, but it's very cute, but it is long. Here's your objectives. So we're going to pre-teach man-made materials and natural materials, and man-made structures and natural structures. This is a video you'll need to watch in the classroom, which you might want to start off with that, and then follow up by reteaching these. Now, in this story, of course, you have the big bad pig. So I have get to it. There's a headband that has a big bad wolf, but also there will be one that has a big bag. I hate it, big bad pig. So they can choose and wear those headbands to the STEAM lab and kind of be 2 different teams if they want to. So that's just something fun, a little art for this part of STEAM that they could do. Right here, students will observe the building materials on the table. On the teacher table up front, there will be straw, because especially pre-K, even I guess 1st and 2nd grade, if you say that the Three Little Pigs, one of them built a house made of straw, they may think of the plastic straw that we drink from. So there will be some straw, sticks, and some bricks. They'll need to discuss these in detail and be able to tell you which one is a man-made material. Here's the design process. This will be up in the room, and also we're going to go over each of these steps. Ask what's the problem, then they imagine and fix the problem. Plan, draw it, create, make it, improve, make it better. Table activities. At each table there will be an animal. And here's the problem for the design process. The problem is that these animals do not have homes. Discuss that. Home is another word for shelter, structure. So they're going to build structures that will protect their animal. Students will imagine. They're going to think about how to build a structure or a home that will fit their animal and withstand the big bad wolf or pig. So there will be a fan to test the structure. So it's right here. It may have fox or wolf ears. It may have a pig nose right here. So we're going to turn that on. So when it's on high, your structure's got to be able to stand. So what they're going to do is they're going to imagine their shelter. There will be, I've already got journal entry pages where they can draw their structure so that they can put that in their science journal. Then they're going to create the structure. Now each table has a different material. Students will need to be able to determine which materials are man-made, which are natural, and maybe there's a combination which goes back to the objective. Then they're going to create their structure, test it, and then improve it. So there you have it. There's the lesson for September the 2nd. Sorry about the tongue twisters, but you could try that with your kids too. That might be a lot of fun. So if there's any questions, just let me know. I hope you have a good time with this.